Texas redneck. Welcome back to another video. We're working on Holly again. Got some interior work going on here. The seat's out. We got the seat back there. We got Luke in the back. And this is a dumbass idea, but we're gonna go around the block.
We're dumbasses, so it's okay.
Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna drive the truck. We gotta have this guy right here, Jacob. It's Luke's friend, so he's helping me. Anyway, he's gonna sit in the passenger seat, and Luke's gonna sit right back here in the back. Nice to meet you. Anyway, let's do this shit. You ready to go?
Hell yeah.
Anderson seam. You ready for this shit?
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's get started.
You should see this from back here. This is fucking crazy.
Is it funny? Oh, okay. It's a little bit louder in the cab now.
Yeah.
Here, I'll let you film so I drive.
Alright.
I can't see for shit. Hey, that Dr. Pepper can. That's yours. With my bearded. What the fuck?
What?
Hey, you wanna go by Austin's? Support this. Do not do this at home. There's a reason I have the professional's title called Average Texas Redneck. Not everyone can do stupid shit like me. So we're gonna pull up here. We're gonna see if my buddy Austin's here. Now that the shits and giggles are over with driving around, Luke and Jacob ended up having to take off and do other things. They're busy days. I mean, I understand that. But anyway, continued. I got the seat out, as y'all know. It's in the back of my bed. Makes a pretty good brake spot, if you ask me. So that's always a plus. My see, y'all can see it from right here. There's my carpet. So I got that taken out. Oh, and I put my seatbelts already. I already put my seatbelts back in. I got to put the bench back in, so I can drive it to the body shop that I now work at. So that's where I'm gonna be doing all the paint and body work and all that. Is kind of why I'm, even though like I said I was probably gonna keep this truck, you know, for the summer and drive around, have fun with it and whatnot. But since, you know, this opportunity has came across me, you know, I can work on my own truck and bring it to the shop, you know, do all my auto body myself. You know, I'm gonna take that opportunity when I have it. You know, and I'm pretty sure y'all would understand, and I'm pretty sure y'all don't care either way, because you get to see C10 content, whether or not I'm driving it or taking it apart. So, anyway, let me show y'all the interior. Ugh. No rust, solid floors. And everything's nice and solid in here. Got it all taken out. I want to put some custom sound system back in, so I threw away all my speakers are sitting up here. Here's my CB, by the way, up here, just sitting there. Take the dash out next, probably was what I wanted to do after I put that bench back in. And got the seat belts all put back in here. These are the LMC seat belts that I put way back in, you know, one of my really old videos that got like the most views possible. A lot of y'all seem to like that sticker, the whole Donald Trump pissing on liberals. So I find that kind of funny. You know, when you got the there's another sticker. I don't think y'all really ever see it because I'm not driving. It's not on my side, but I got the Square Body Brothers Save the Squares, and I put that on after when I started putting the front end back on and all that goodness. So I also need to take the door panels off. I'll probably look up a YouTube video to see the proper way of doing this because I haven't taken one apart before. So yes, even a YouTuber watches YouTube. It's crazy. Like, what the hell? Anyway, like I said, solid floors, need to get it all cleaned out. It's all nasty. Got a bunch of old 33-year-old shit and whatnot that was underneath it. This was actually this flooring and I guess cushion for the carpet was actually like wet right here. It's pretty damn disgusting. So I mean, whatever the hell that was, I have no idea. But I'm thinking, which when I do speakers, I can actually stick part of a sub into here, you know, and then have like a box maybe go out to here. You know, I'm probably only gonna put like a 10-inch sub on either side, and that way I can still have some center room. Maybe if I want to put something in here, do something nice. I don't know yet. This is the magic of taking things apart. You figure things out, and you're like, ooh, I could do that. So I'll probably just do a sub and have it just sitting, and half of it be behind the door. You know, I ain't too concerned about it. It's gonna sound good either way. The cab isn't very big. I also got the headliner out. I'm not sure if y'all seen that yet. All the whole interior plastic pieces are off. All over there. Put the dome light back in because there's no sense in just having it dangle there until I can get those wires taken out, which is just all comes through right here. And there's a little auto body trick. You can get some mechanical wire. It's the same thing in the LMC video when he does he puts his headliner in. He wraps the wire in some metal wire and just kind of yanks it, pushes it all back through that hole and calls it good. But I'm gonna try to get that bench put back in. Then maybe if we have enough sunlight, we'll start working on the dash. Alrighty guys, it's time for me to digress. You know, it doesn't really look like it is. The sun's going down, but well, the sun's going down, and I'm kind of under this big ass tree that blocks out a bunch of light. And you know, my time's getting limited. So let me do a quick rundown of what I got done today. The seat's back in, took the dash bezel covers out. Got the dash cover off, didn't quite get time to take the dash out. Floor's all out, the carpet's all out. The floor looks good, no rust. Starting to start picking up some of my tools. And that's really all I got done today. I really didn't do anything too productive. The floor took most of my time. Oh, I got the headliner out, all the little pieces, but I think I already been over that. Seat belts are back in. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, well, guys, sorry this video might be a little short and quick to the point. You know, sometimes you kind of forget what to film whenever you're in the process of working, and you know, I suffer from that greatly. I'm gonna try to work on that and hopefully get to a point. People are looking at me like I'm crazy because I'm talking to myself, but who gives a shit? Anyway, I want to try to get to a point where I can actually walk you through the whole build and not tell you about it because it doesn't seem to be near as fun. I don't know. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Anyway, this is the end of the video today. Go and follow all the links down in the description down below. That'd be my Instagram and my Twitter, I believe. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out Harrison's channel. Check out my cousin Hunter's channel. You know, I'm gonna support my friends and family the best I can. And well, like always, guys, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. Drop a like on this button. And like always, stay country.